Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about planing end grain. Now, when planing end grain, you're actually cutting off the tips of the wood fiber. The block plane is probably one of the best tools for planing end grain because of the very sharp iron and the low angle it's set at. Now, when cutting end grain, it's best to set the depth of your blade to as shallow of a cut as possible. So you want to take off as small amount of material as you possibly can. This is going to give you a better finished product. Now, before cutting end grain on your project, you always want to have a scrap piece of stock, and make sure you give yourself plenty of time to practice before you actually do this on your project.